Hello again to all my lovely nail enthusiasts that are subscribed or watching this video. Welcome back if you are regular subscribers, or welcome if you are new. Today is video 3 of my crystal series, and this is the Malachite inspired nails. Now I got the technique from her channel is at Stephanie Renee Arts. I've done them a little bit different to what she did, but the technique is similar, and go and check her out because her malachite nails are gorgeous. So what we started off doing, or she started off doing rather, and I did the same, is popping the dots down on the nail plate with the colors that you're going to be using. So I'm using a light green, like an emerald cat eye, and although I won't be using the cat eye effect, and I'll also be using a black glitter polish. So I'll just let you watch and follow along, and I'll come back when I'm ready to put it on the nail. Now I'm just going to apply a thin coat of blooming gel. Then I'm just going to scoop up the product and put it on the nail. Now I think watching back the video after I did this, I realized, because I was thinking, why didn't it go on as easy for me as it did for her? And I think I have too much product on there, and also I didn't tilt the brush to the side. I noticed her brush was on the side, whereas mine was kind of flat to the nail, so it didn't apply as well. So bearing that in mind if you're going to recreate this design, but it still turned out nice. I still like the way it swirled and everything, so happy with that. Once I've sort of touched this up to where I want it to be, I'm going to cure that and move on to the next nail. For the ring finger, I'm going to do something a little different, same technique, but I'm going to only apply it to a portion of the nail rather than the whole nail, and then I'm going to add some gold. Now just doing the exact same technique to the last nail, and then I will be back to show you the finished design, and I will put some top coat on them, and they pretty much will be finished. Here is the finished look, guys. This is my first ever malachite design for my new crystal series, and I hope you like them. They're a little bit long for me, so if I was to wear this design I would have shorter nails, but I know some people really love the really long ones, so I thought I would do at least one design with really long nails. Would you wear them yourself? Would you wear them short, long? Would you attempt this design yourself? Please give me any suggestions of any other crystal nails you would like me to attempt. And I hope you liked my video, and stay tuned for the next one.